Getting rid of knob and tube K and T wiring is often recommended for several reasons. 1. Safety concerns. K and T wiring lacks grounding, which can increase the risk of electrical shock and fire. Additionally, the insulation on K and T wiring can degrade over time, potentially leading to exposed wires. 2. Insurance issues. Many insurance companies either charge higher premiums or refuse to provide coverage for homes with K and T wiring due to the associated risks. 3. Inadequate capacity. K and T wiring was designed for the electrical needs of the early 20th century, which were significantly lower than today's standards. Modern appliances and electronics can overload K and T systems, leading to overheating and potential fire hazards. For code compliance, in many areas, K and T wiring does not meet current electrical codes and standards. Upgrading to modern wiring can ensure compliance and improve overall safety. 5. Home value. Homes with modern wiring systems are generally more attractive to buyers. Replacing K and T wiring can increase the market value of a home and makes it easier to sell. Overall, upgrading from K and T wiring to a modern electrical system can enhance safety, reduce insurance costs, increase electrical capacity, ensure code compliance, and improve the home's value.